Hi guys, welcome back to Cornelialove Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making cheese steak sandwich. Today I'm going to be reading Matthew 5 verse 44. But I say unto you, love your enemy, bless them that curse you, do good to them that hate you, and pray for them which despisable use you and persecute you. Amen. So guys, how are you doing? Happy Friday. So I'm gonna pour out some olive oil in my frying pan. Not a lot. I went and seasoned my meat. I have some onion, bell pepper, and garlic. I have lettuce, tomato, and some cheese. We're gonna throw it down today. Okay guys, I'm gonna put in my meat. Just gonna cover this, turn on your stove low, and just let this cook. Gonna check up back on my meat. See, I didn't add no water to it, and it's bringing its own water. I like that. I'm just gonna allow this to cook for another 20 minutes because I want my meat well done. Now guys, I'm gonna check up back on my meat. Ooh, smells so yummy. See the color guys? Just allow your meat to just cook properly. Stir fry. Now I'm gonna add my seasoning. Just stir it in. Let it make its own liquid. Turn it down on medium. And give it another 20 minutes. Okay guys, I'm gonna check up on my meat. Check if it's cooked. Yes it is. Now I'm gonna add my cheese. You could add any amount of cheese that you wish to. You just stir it in. You could add yellow cheese, white cheese, any cheese. Cheese of your choice. So now I'm gonna leave this to just 1 minute. Now I'm gonna make my sandwich. I'm gonna show you step by step. I have 2 pieces of white paper because I'm gonna make 2 sandwiches. I have my flatbread. So over here I have some of my meal stuff. Just do it like this. This is just something easy and delicious. Something yummy for your tummy. Delicious. Now I'm gonna add my lettuce. Mmm. Delicious. I'm gonna add some more tomato. Mmm. Look how big and juicy this is, guys. Look at this. Oh my God. Try it, guys, and tell me how you like it. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Cornelia Love is in the kitchen. Two sandwiches, so I did half pound of meat. Enjoy, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Have a blessed Friday.